Greetings, we are reading unit number 11. Grasslands. Vast areas covered with grass and vegetations are called grasslands. Many types of grass are found here, but trees are sparse. Grasslands are the habitats of different animals such as deer, elephant, zebra, etc. Water habitat. The reservoirs of water. The reservoirs of water found on Earth are called the water habitat. Many types of animals and plants are found in water. Water is their habitat. Fish, seahorse, frog, etc. live in water. Similarly, many types of plants are also found in water, like seaweed, algae, lotus, etc. Like land habitats, there are different types of water habitat. Freshwater, rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams, etc., are included in freshwater. Freshwater is the habitat of frogs, ducks, fish and lotus. Marine habitat. The ocean is the largest water aquatic habitat. A large number of different species of animals and plants are found in this habitat. The ocean is home to jellyfish, crabs, starfish, sea turtles, seaweed, and algae. Coastal habitat. This is the area where the sea and land meet. In this habitat, various types of animals and plants are found such as mangroves, marsh grass, crab, etc. The kids are playing in the street. Polar region. The polar region is the coldest habitat. This area remains covered some with snow throughout the year. A very few plants are found there. Animals found in the polar region are popular bears, penguins, and wolves. Here is the activity. You can take help from this table. You are reading page 77. Effects of human activities on natural habitat. You have learned that forests, deserts, grasslands, and freshwater reserves are habitats for various animals. Humans, for their benefit, are affecting these natural habitats in different ways, causing changes that are very harmful for the plants and animals found there. As a result of human activities, animals face shortage of food, water, and shelter, putting their lives in danger. Effects of human activities on land habitat. Humans are clearing forests and green fields for timber, fuel, and settlement, depriving plant and animals of their natural habitat and endangering their lives. Here is the picture of deforestation. Page number 79. Effects of human activities on water habitat. Wastewater from factories and houses contaminates water habitat, which endangers the lives of living organisms found there. Oil spills from ships also cause destruction of marine life. Here are some key points that you should remember and might be fruitful for you. Here is page number 80, exercise. Page number 81 also contain exercise. Okay, we are going to start chapter unit number 12, change in living things. So let's see what we will learn in this chapter, in this unit. Change in living things. Look at the given picture carefully. What difference did you notice? Organisms differ from each other, but some basic characteristics are common in all organisms, such as breathing, reproduction, etc. All living things have the ability to reproduce their own kind. Offsprings of some animals are like their parents at the time of birth, like lion, goat, dog, etc. While offsprings of some animals don't resemble their parents initially, After some time, their appearance becomes similar to their parents, for example, frog, butterfly, etc. Life cycle. After birth, organisms go through different stages and grow to be able to produce organisms like themselves. The period from the birth of plants and animals until the ability to produce organisms like themselves is called the life cycle. Plants and animals have different life stages. Life cycle of plants. The life cycle of plants consists of four stages. First stage, the seed is sown in the ground. Second stage, the plant sprouts from the seed. Third stage, the plant grows larger over time. Fourth stage, flowers bloom on the plant and seeds form within the flowers. For example, a bean plant. Here is the life cycle of plant. Life cycle of birds. In the first stage, birds lay eggs. In the second stage, the eggs hatch. In the third stage, the young develop into full-fledged birds. For example, the life cycle of a chicken. On next page, there are also two life cycle of insects and life cycle of frog. Most insects hatch from eggs. The life cycle of an insect consists of four stages. In the first stage, insects lay eggs. In the second stage, the eggs develop into the larva. In the third stage, the larva develops into pupa. In the fourth stage, pupa become insects. Life cycle of frog. The female frog lays eggs in the water. Second stage, the egg develops into a tadpole. Third stage, the tadpole develops into a mature frog. Here are some key points and exercise. Exercise is on the next page as well, page number 87. Unit number 13, energy and its sources. Energy. Humans use many tools to make their life easy and comfortable. Have you ever considered what these devices need to function? All these tools require energy to work. No work can be done without energy. Everything around us either uses energy or provides energy. Sources of energy. The sun is the biggest source of energy. The energy from the sun reaches the earth through rays in the form of light and heat. It is called solar energy. Electricity is generated from solar energy. There you go. Here is flowing water. Flowing water also has energy. Humans have been getting energy from water for thousands of years. For example, using a windmill to grind grain. Nowadays, electricity is generated from water by building dams on rivers. Air. Wind is a major source of energy. Man has been driving ships and boats through wind for centuries. Similarly, man has been using windmills for drawing water from the ground and for other purposes. At present, wind energy is being used to generate electricity. You are reading page 89. Coal. Coal is one of the oldest source of energy. Man has been using coal for heat, light and cooking for centuries. Trains and ships have also been powered by coal. Now electricity is being generated from coal. There are vast reserves of coal in different regions of Pakistan. Natural gas. In addition to heating homes and cooking, natural gas is used for powering factories and vehicles. Crude oil. Oil is very important source of energy. It is found underground. Oil is used to generate electricity, fuel factories, machines and vehicles. Time to think. You should think and you should read as well. I am feeling tired right now. My energy level is getting low. Here's some key points. Here is the exercise. Note number 14, matter. Have you ever considered what the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and various objects we use are made of? Our universe and everything in it are made up of matter. Anything that occupies space and holds weight is called matter. For example, stone, water, wind, etc. States of matter. Matter exists mainly in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Properties: solid, liquid, gas. Shape: has solid has specific shape. Liquid has no different shape, it takes the shape of what is put into. Gas has no different shape, it takes the shape of what is put into. Volume: solid has different volume, liquid has specific volume, gas has no different volume. Here is change in state of matter. Key points. You are reading page 97. Here is exercise, question number 1, question number 2. Now here is question number 3, which is on page number 99. Finally, we have done page 100 and 101. Let's start unit number 15, electricity. Dear children, you have already learned that the ability to do work is called energy, and without energy, no work can be done. Electricity is also a form of energy. We use electricity in our daily life in various ways. For example, to operate television, computers, light bulbs, machines, etc. Electricity is part of our daily life. While we get many benefits from it, there are also several risks associated with it. Take the following precautions for safe use of electricity. Do not touch electrical appliances and wires with wet hands and bare feet. Never use faulty appliances, cords, switches, and sockets. Keep electrical appliances away from water. Do not insert more than one plug into a socket. Turn off the switch before plugging or unplugging the socket. Switch off the socket before inserting or removing a plug. Do not play near electrical lines and poles. When using electrical appliances, strictly follow the instructions given for their use. When electrical appliances like fans, motor, bulbs, etc. are running, do not touch them. In case of an accident, call 1122. In case of emergency, turn off the main switch. Electricity current. Look at the picture. They are talking about this picture. Carefully and tell, why is the bulb lit? Where is the bulb getting its energy from? Where is the bulb getting its energy from? Now disconnect the wire from the cell. The bulb will stop glowing because the path of electricity to flow has been interrupted. This path is called a circuit. A circuit is a path through which electric current passes to perform a task such as glowing of bulb. A circuit has three components: cell, device, wire. Cell, source of electricity; device that uses electrical energy such as bulb, fan, etc. Wire, through which electrical current flows. Here is the exercise. Question number 4. The Sun, unit number 16. Solar system. Our universe is made up of countless bodies, including billions of galaxies. One of these countless galaxies is the Milky Way galaxy, which, like other galaxies, is a collection of billions of stars, gas, and dust clouds. According to experts, one of the countless stars in the Milky Way galaxy is the Sun. There are 8 planets revolving around the Sun. The Sun and the planets revolving around it are called the solar system. Here is the picture of solar system.